Welcome to Crypto.XL, where we uncover the hidden gems of the crypto market. Are you ready to discover the next big thing in investing? Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey with us as we hunt for small-cap coins with the potential to explode. Join us as we dive deep into the world of small-cap cryptocurrencies, exploring their untapped potential and uncovering opportunities for growth that could turn your investment into a fortune. Whether you're a seasoned investor looking for the next big winner or a newcomer eager to learn the ropes, Crypto.XL is your ultimate destination for insightful analysis, expert tips, and the latest trends in the small-cap crypto market. Remember, this is not financial advice. Only invest money you can afford to lose. Don't miss out on the opportunity of a lifetime. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this thrilling adventure to uncover small-cap gems that could skyrocket your portfolio to new heights. Let's make 50-100x gains together.
And we're live. Good day, guys. This is Crypto.XL back today and we're live. This is Crypto.XL. How are you all doing during this altcoin massacre? Right? We're taking a look at the altcoins, and as predicted, they're getting bombarded. But I do have some good news for you, right? I have some great news for you, actually. I'm going to let you know that I think the worst or most of it is over, right? Because we're getting closer and closer to the time period of when we start to go ballistic. And we've had some really good pullbacks in Bitcoin. So I'm going to talk about, how good we're doing, where the market is. And I'm also going to give you a 20x gem, a gem that could explode like really, really quickly. When I say quickly, it could be a week from now, the thing just explodes 20x. I'm not saying it's going to do that. I'm saying it's possible that this thing blows up. And I'm getting in now, right? You do what you want to do. This is high risk. Anything that could go 20x could also go to zero. I'm not responsible for your financial future. You have to manage your risk and make smart decisions. Do not put your rent money or your mortgage money, all of it, into crypto. Please don't. All right, so moving along with that, we take a look at Bitcoin, and we see that Bitcoin has been oscillating. The altcoins in relation to Bitcoin, the altcoins have been completely destroyed, and that's because the total three is actually back down to its lows, right? So the mid caps and small cap altcoins are pretty much giving up all of their gains that they made during the year. So we are now in June. That's kind of interesting. So what that says to me is that it's a good time to stock up on altcoins. So I have a contrarian point of view. So if markets are down during the bull market, I start buying. I start accumulating. So, the portfolio doesn't look as good as it used to, but it actually makes me happy because now I have a bigger foundation. Think about it like planting seeds. The more seeds you plant and the more fertile the ground, that means the bigger the harvest when it's time to harvest. So I'm planting a lot of seeds. If we look at Bitcoin, again, we're just in a ranging pattern. We're heading up to 72K now, where there's a little bit of resistance. And we'll see what happens here. But as we continue to knock on heaven's door, eventually we break through and, we go all the way up, all the way to heaven, right? So, don't get too discouraged. If we have another pullback, I'll accumulate some more, continue to accumulate. And then by this time next year, we will wish that we had these prices, in my opinion. So the altcoin, which is your 20x gem, is Codex. Codex is the fastest way to build dApps without code. So it makes it an easy way to build dApps and to go from chain to chain, and you don't have to be a coder. Building tech is expensive and time consuming. Codex is an all-in-one no-code AI, and that's a buzzword, AI powered ecosystem for Web3 mass adoption. So AI and Web3 build faster and cheaper. Technology, AI, Web3, and it makes things easier. Total smart contracts deployed 72,460. Total traffic generated 154,340. Total wallet addresses 56,519. Total daily active users 2,572. So this is letting you know that they have a working product. And they also have a lot of backers here. You can see that Solidus AI Tech is one of the backers. Here's Spores, BNB Chain. Okay, that's BNB, Arbitrum, Polygon, Cosmos, Ethereum, Tron. Moving right along, or products unlock the power of Web3 without code. Again, making things easier. Introducing a revolutionary suite of no-code Web3 products for creative users and teams. So AI, Web3, I could go on, and I guess I might, but I don't want to bore you. Just know that create dApp with Codex GPT solution. Know that the buzzwords are AI, Web3, but the bigger buzzword is AI and making things easier with coding. I think that's the important takeaways from this. And they have decent sponsors, and we could go on and on. The most important thing I want to bring to your attention here is the market cap. So remember, AI market cap $440,000. So this is not a small cap. This is a micro cap. You need a tweezer to pick this up. This thing is so small. $440,000. So my take on this is this thing could do a quick 10x or some kind of number like that, and I could take out my initials if I want to, and I could keep this in here, depending on where it goes. I don't know where this is going to go, but I think the odds of it doing a quick 10x are pretty good. I'm seeing a breakout here, right? Because it's been flat on the day, and all of a sudden it starts to wake up a little bit. If you look at the yearly, it was at the lows here was it's higher than what it was now, right? Lows here was around a penny, and then all of a sudden it did a 10x and it went to 10 cents. Now we're at half of that, half of a penny, and were it to go back to where it went to before, that would be a 20x. One thing I will say about that, about this crypto, is that there's a lot of dilution, right? Because if you look at the current market cap, if this is true, then the total dilution is a 10x from here, right? So from 440,000 to 5 million, that's about a 10x. So it's 1/10 of full dilution. That's why I'm saying for a quick trade, this could 10x super fast. It could 20x super fast to get back to where it was before. So if Bitcoin were to show some sign of life, like Bitcoin goes to 80K, this could quickly 20x, right? So that's why I'm willing to risk a little bit of capital now and get in now at 0.005, because when it 20x's, I could always take my capital back out and leave some in there. Another thing I want to talk about is I mentioned dilution, right? So with the dilution, I went to CryptoRank and it doesn't show the vesting schedule. So I'm just going to assume the worst case scenario and assume that, this 10x dilution. And so 2 years from now, the price is going to be fighting the dilution. That all being said, I'm dealing with a coin that has a market cap of $440,000, right? So the full market cap would be around $5 million. Right, so it's still this is 100, maybe 200x gem from my perspective. Another very important thing to focus on here is the return on investment from IDO. So this is almost 50% off the IDO price. So from an investor standpoint, I like that scenario where I'm buying below the IDO. I'm even buying below the private sale price here. This 32% below the private sale price. And 40% below the strategic sale price. Right, the only one that's beating me out is pre-seed, and pre-seed you have to get in before they even, start releasing a project. This is like maybe a year and a half before the project even comes out. But I'm buying below the IDO and the private sale price. So yeah, I think this is a quick 10x, maybe 20x, and possibly 200x during the entire bull run. So keep a lookout for it. It's called CDX CodeX. Remember where you saw it here first. Last time we got an 8x on this in one day. Yeah. If you go back and look at the previous videos, right? Because I do so many videos. There's so many of them. I remember we made 800% on this in one day. And now the price is below where we entered, right? So could you imagine this now? That would be a 16x, right? Were it to go back to that price, it would be over a 16x. So yeah, but I mean, I'm definitely securing a position in this. It's Codex CDX. Where can we get this bad boy? It's on Mexi, Pancake Swap, and SmartDex, right? So for those of you that have the MetaMask, that deal with MetaMask and the BNB chain, you can swap BNB for CDX. But I would hold on to some of this. I'll just hold on to some of it, and I'll see where it goes. I'm not going all in because this is $440,000 micro cap. So no, I'm not betting the farm on that. But these little plays, like you got a few of these small coins in your portfolio, maybe depending on how degen you are, right? Maybe someone like me, maybe there's 20% of these little micro caps in my portfolio. One of them does a 20x, this other one does a 200x. These could overtake my portfolio and become 70% of my total weighted portfolio really, really fast. If Bitcoin picks up, as soon as Bitcoin does pick up, because it's really just a matter of time. And then this thing does a 20x, right? So my main portfolio might have coins like Solana, maybe some Ethereum, AVAX, those kind of big stable coins. And then the small ones like these, again, these could outperform really, really fast. But do manage your risk though, okay? Because it's a micro cap. Anything can happen. So this is Crypto.XL accumulating the 200x degen high risk reward plays. Shout out to you for paying attention. A lot of people are not paying attention. A lot of people are on vacation and they quit crypto. They're like, there's no money in this. I'm gonna go do something else. I'm taking my money out. And it's unfortunate because, we are right around, I think we're pretty close to the time when things start to get ridiculous, right? We've had Trump come out recently and he's pretty much saying that he's a crypto president. He's saying how we're going to make America the home of blockchain and we don't want anyone else to leave the country. We want them to develop and build here. And he's hinting at saying that the federal government, these are not his words, I'm paraphrasing, okay? But he's pretty much saying that the US should own Bitcoin, right? And if we have an inkling of any kind of that thought pattern being entrenched and infused in the thinking of the United States government, we're talking about hundreds of billions. May I even say, in the future, it's going to sound absurd. I know I sound absurd, but trillions of dollars. I don't think you understand what could happen here. The rate of money printing that is necessary to keep the system going is not billions of dollars. It's trillions of dollars. And that's about to happen very, very soon. Another piece of news that you should be aware of is that the BRICS countries are growing in number. Is that Saudi Arabia did not extend the dollar deal that they had, the petrodollar deal, where all oil is to be sold for US dollars. They did not extend that. It was a 50-year agreement made with the United States government, and the time has elapsed, and they did not renew that contract, which means that now there is pressure on the US dollar, a lot of pressure. And the US dollar is still the world reserve currency and shall remain so for some more time. But world reserve status only lasts around 100 years, and the US dollar has been the world reserve currency for over 100 years now. So, time wise, um, it history sides with the world reserve currency only lasting for 100 years. What does this all mean, and how does it tie into crypto? It means that the the government is about to go brrr, the printing press is about to start up again. Um, Senate, what was that? Her name, Yellen. Recently, she sent a letter to the Federal Reserve saying that they need to lower interest rates. So everything that we've projected to happen on this channel is happening, and you just have to be patient, and you have to not get scared and sell out of your position. Because if you do, you're going to feel bad because you're going to be buying back for a higher price. And this is just my opinion. None of what I'm saying is financial advice. And what I think could happen in the future, I think it's going to be wild. I think this year is going to be completely wild. I think it's going to be insane. I think the price points that these risk on assets are going to hit are going to seem like comical, like it's a joke. I bring up this coin, tiny small cap coin, and I mean, no one cares about this coin or what it does. It's some random coin on the internet. No one really. But a couple months from now, the valuations of something like this could be absurd. A year from now, it could not even make any sense. What's about to happen in crypto with the risk on assets? Um, Towards the end of this year, starting early next year, is going to be something that is cartoonish. It's going to look completely absurd. It's going to lack common sense. It's just going to seem like someone that's typed in numbers in a spreadsheet. That's what it's going to look like, right? So keep your conviction, keep your discipline, remain stoic, remain unemotional, right? None of this. No, we don't really care about. We don't love those coins, right? Just remain unemotional and think strategically and long term. Okay, but that's my pick for today. CDX. I will see you guys on the top. This is Crypto.XL with my crazy buy alert, and I will see you guys on top. Take care. Peace.
Welcome to Crypto.XL, where we uncover the hidden gems of the crypto market. Are you ready to discover the next big thing in investing? Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey with us as we hunt for small cap coins with the potential to explode. Join us as we dive deep into the world of small cap cryptocurrencies, exploring their untapped potential and uncovering opportunities for growth that could turn your investment into a fortune. Whether you're a seasoned investor looking for the next big winner or a newcomer eager to learn the ropes, Crypto.XL is your ultimate destination for insightful analysis, expert tips, and the latest trends in the small cap crypto market. Remember, this is not financial advice. Only invest money you can afford to lose. Don't miss out on the opportunity of a lifetime. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this thrilling adventure to uncover small cap gems that could skyrocket your portfolio to new heights. Let's make 50-100x gains together.
And we're live. Good day, guys. This is Crypto.XL, back today with